Our trainers are often asked how to curb a very specific unwanted behavior, and that is jumping. How's it going, Steven?
It could be better.
Oh man, who is this?
This is Teddy.
So let's talk about how to modify this behavior. A lot of times dogs jump because A, it's either been reinforced before, or B, just super excited. If I approach Teddy and he jumps, I turn my back, and that actually communicates to Teddy that that jumping behavior is not going to get exactly what I want. So what we're doing here is reinforcing Teddy keeping all four paws on the ground.